Hello, educators. Welcome to this quick video demonstrating lesson previews on typing.com. Lesson previews let you step into your students' shoes and experience any lesson, test, or even custom content exactly as they will. This is a fantastic way to make sure the content, difficulty level, and overall flow are just right for your class, as well as demonstrate the lessons to your students without having to log into a student account. You've just seen how to preview lessons on the curriculum page, so now let's look at the other places you can preview lessons. Let's start by looking at how to preview your own custom lessons. Just head to the Custom Lessons page, find your lesson or test, and click the Preview button. Another helpful way to preview lessons is directly while creating an assignment. Navigate to your Assignments page and click on the blue Add Assignment button in the top right. We'll start by selecting Core Curriculum as the assignment type. Now choose the curriculum. Here are the available lessons. Let's say you're teaching the Learn the Keys unit. To see a lesson from the student's perspective, just click the Preview Lesson button. A new window will open, showing the lesson exactly as your students will experience it. You can click through each screen in any order you want, watch any videos that may be part of the lesson, and even try out the typing exercises yourself. Just like with lessons, you can also preview tests. When you complete a test preview, you have the option to view an example certificate of completion. The certificate will not use any student's data and is simply for demonstration purposes. Finally, an even quicker way to preview lessons is to use the search bar at the top of the screen. Simply search for a lesson, unit, or test by name, and you'll be able to preview it simply by clicking on it. As you can see, lesson previews make it easy to review content and ensure it aligns with your teaching goals and your students' needs. And that's how you use lesson previews on typing.com. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.